Just a little reminder, guys, I am giving an Xbox X away as soon as I hit 1K subscribers. All you have to do is subscribe and turn your bell notifications on. Let's get it. Yo, guys, how's it going? It's Marv from Everything Beamer back with yet another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be tinting my headlights yellow. I'm doing it because, I don't know, I think it was kind of good in my opinion. So I'm just gonna do it just for aesthetics and try to make it look a little unique in a certain way. And I'm just gonna get started now. You guys can tell this Lamin X protective headlight covers. It really covers. You gotta use a heat gun and some alcohol just to spray it down real quick, and then after you get done doing that, you should be good to go. Put that there. The first thing you gotta do is get I was gonna use cotton balls, but I heard that you can't use cotton balls, so I have a lint-free rag right here I'm gonna use with water. So I'm just gonna spray the water, wipe it down real quick. Spray them. So they go like this way. I'm gonna start peeling it off now. Then do a little more misting here. And I'm gonna start putting this on. See how this bad boy looks. Let's get it. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I'll do now is trim the edges, and that should be good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the hair dryer, whatever you want to call it, right here. I'm gonna use it just to squeegee everything down, make sure all the air bubbles are out, because there are, I don't know if you guys can see from afar, but I know you see up close, there are some air bubbles inside there and they get out. But other than that, man, I think it looks pretty nice. Let's show the other side compared to this. I don't know, man. I don't know about you guys, but I really fuck with it. You know, I really like it. So I'm just going to continue doing what I'm doing. Next side is next. It's not as hard at all, really. Just have a little common knowledge. Yeah. All right, so like I said, guys, now it's time for the trimming. Trimmer right here. You're gonna cut the excess off. Like that, guys, we are done with this side. We're gonna go to the next side and do the same process. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna start the process on this side as well. First thing we gotta do again, wipe off the headlights, make sure there's no dust or residue on it. You see the little bugs here and there. So I'm just gonna start doing that. Then apply the tint, put the tint on, put the heat on it, and squeegee it out. After that, we cut the trim the edges like we did before, and we should be done. Last time didn't take as long as I expected to take. I don't know, maybe because I have a little experience doing this. And besides the fact, this is my first time, this is y'all first time probably as well if you're trying to do the same thing I'm trying to do. So let's get it started. see, this is basically done. All I have to do now is squeegee a little more, get those air bubbles out, trim it, and it's done. Both sides, looking great, looking good. I'm gonna say it again, man. Shout out to my boys, Lamin X. They provided these great headlight tints for me. Headlight just like these or anything just kind of like this. I'm gonna show you a link below. Link's gonna be below. Click on this website. They have plenty of cars for making models. Doesn't matter if it's a BMW M3 or Porsche, or it doesn't really matter. Any European car, any really car they have, be a BRZ up to a Civic. So just holler at them. I'll put a link in the description below. And no, I'm not sponsored by these guys, but this install was definitely easy, and it was kind of self-explanatory to give you all the instructions you need. So with that being said, guys, this is the final product. Looks fire. And as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. This is it for this video. Stay tuned for much more content. Hey, with that being said, more out, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. A lot of great content is coming soon. I love you guys be a part of it, man. Peace. Just to show you guys my perspective of what it looks like at night. This thing is bright. I don't know. I wish I could show you guys the difference between the before and after, but this definitely made a big difference of seeing further when you're driving at night. And I really do like it. Like I'm in love. Look how far I can see. Like I'm not even. This is my brights. Look at my brights. That's my brights. I can visually see better more at night, and it's honestly way better.
And she's gone. Yeah, I might do it all night long. I got a shawty. She did me wrong, but I might do